Hi everybody, question 30 is about a satellite. It's about its energy, total energy, means a potential energy plus a kinetic energy. So remember, okay, now the satellite is at a distance out from the Earth and it evolved about the Earth. First of all, you have to remember the potential energy is a negative GMM over R. Next one, we need to find out the kinetic energy. So remember, kinetic energy is half mv squared. And we remember the centripetal force is the gravitational force, so mv squared over r is gmm over r squared. From this one we got, okay, half mv squared over r equal gmm over r. So the kinetic energy is half of it, okay, so the kinetic energy is just gmm over 2r. So add this together, we got the total energy, okay. So the total energy, add them together will be negative gmm over 2r. But the question said that it is negative gmm over 4r. Compare it. So we got r equals 2r, and the answer is C. Thank you.